For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a microfinance business can be a powerful way to empower underserved communities by providing small loans, financial services, and support to low-income individuals or entrepreneurs. With the advancement of artificial intelligence, it's now easier than ever to start such a business using free AI tools that can assist with planning, management, marketing, and customer service. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to launch your own microfinance business, leveraging the power of free AI tools at each critical phase. Step 1. Understand the microfinance model and legal requirements. Before doing anything else, you need to understand the basic operations of a microfinance business and the legal requirements in your country or state. Microfinance institutions, MFIs, typically provide small loans, savings accounts, insurance, and financial education to underserved communities. You will need to register your business, obtain necessary licenses, and understand local lending regulations. Use ChatGPT to research legal compliance. Prompt: what are the legal requirements to start a microfinance business in your country or state? AI tool: ChatGPT can summarize regulations, suggest licensing steps, and explain the differences between nonprofit and for-profit models in microfinance. Step 2. Define your business model and target market. Your microfinance business could operate as a nonprofit, cooperative, or for-profit company. Define who your target clients are: rural women, smallholder farmers, urban vendors, etc., and what services you'll offer. Will you focus on microloans, group lending, or offer savings products? Prompt: help me define a business model for a microfinance company targeting urban street vendors with group lending services. AI tool: ChatGPT can help analyze target demographics and craft customer personas, while Google Trends can give insight into geographic demand. Step 3. Write a business plan. A solid business plan is essential to define your objectives, structure, financials, and operations. AI can write an entire business plan for you based on your inputs. Prompt: write a complete business plan for a microfinance institution offering group loans to small-scale female entrepreneurs in Kenya. AI tool: ChatGPT can generate the full plan, including executive summary, market analysis, funding strategy, and financial projections. You can refine each section by asking follow-up prompts like expand the marketing strategy section or generate a 3-year financial forecast. Step 4. Create a loan policy framework. A clear lending policy helps minimize risk. This includes loan size limits, repayment terms, interest rates, collateral requirements, and default procedures. Prompt: draft a loan policy document for a microfinance startup offering unsecured loans under $500 with a repayment period of 6 months. AI tool: ChatGPT can structure the policy document, explain best practices for microloan risk management, and simulate lending models with different parameters. Step 5. Build a basic financial model. You'll need to project income, expenses, loan disbursements, interest income, and defaults. AI-powered spreadsheets can make this task easy even for beginners. Prompt: create a simple 12-month financial model for a microfinance company issuing $10,000 in loans per month with an interest rate of 10% and a default rate of 5%. AI tool: use Google Sheets with a GPT for Sheets and Docs add-on to generate real-time formulas and financial scenarios. You can also use ChatGPT to explain key financial metrics like loan portfolio at risk, par, or cost per loan. Step 6. Design a marketing strategy. AI can help you reach potential clients through both digital and offline marketing. Define how you'll build trust with low-income communities and whether you'll use social media, community outreach, or referral incentives. Prompt: generate a marketing plan for a microfinance business operating in rural India, targeting female weavers. AI tool: ChatGPT can suggest marketing channels, messaging strategies, and content ideas. Canva, free version, can be used to create posters, brochures, and social media content with help from AI-generated copy. Step 7. Build a website and online presence. Having a simple website builds credibility and helps customers learn about your services. AI website builders like Durable.co or Wix ADI use AI to create full websites in minutes based on your answers to a few questions. Prompt: create a one-page website for a microfinance business offering loans and financial training in Nigeria. AI tool: Durable uses AI to generate site content and structure. ChatGPT can help write website copy for sections like About Us, Services, and FAQs. Step 8. Create a CRM and loan tracking system. You need to keep track of borrowers, repayments, and client profiles. AI-enhanced CRM tools like Notion AI or Airtable can be customized to track loans, due dates, collections, and client notes. Prompt: help me design a loan tracking CRM template for microfinance operations using Airtable. AI tool: Airtable offers free templates and can be paired with ChatGPT to customize workflows. Notion AI can summarize client updates, automate reminders, and generate reports. Step 9. Train your team and educate clients. AI tools can help create training materials for your staff and financial literacy content for your clients. These materials should include how to assess clients, disburse loans, and manage collections. Prompt: create a training guide for loan officers working in a microfinance company, including how to assess loan applications. AI tool: ChatGPT can generate full training modules, role-play scenarios, and even quizzes. You can translate the content to local languages using Google Translate or DeepL. Step 10. Launch and monitor your operations. Once all systems are ready, you can begin with a soft launch. Monitor your operations closely and adapt quickly. Use AI to gather insights from customer feedback and repayment behavior. Prompt: analyze customer repayment patterns and identify clients at risk of default based on repayment history. AI tool: ChatGPT can help analyze patterns from exported data files. Google Sheets with AI formulas can visualize risk metrics like repayment rate, average loan size, and PAR. Conclusion: launching a microfinance business is now more accessible than ever with the support of free AI tools. From writing your business plan to automating customer management and building a website, AI can significantly reduce startup costs and accelerate your path to impact. The key is to combine human empathy with the precision and scalability of artificial intelligence. Start small, learn as you grow, and let AI handle the complexity so you can focus on empowering communities. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.